Howdy, Alex Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with 52 weeks of favorite photos hosted by Miranda Weber over on My Scrappy Life. And I am also combining this with how to kill a kit with style. So if you have been watching this month, you know I have already used this kit once. I am doing my green girl Vivian's birthday, and this was a hard collection for me to use because it has lots of fruits, and it's very colorful, and I loved it, and that's why I got it. But I feel like all the fruits make it hard to use, but I've been having fun. She had a tropical Rio themed birthday party, so I have been working on using it up, and you see I have lots of scraps. I had also thrown in this collection called Cake Day from Close to My Heart, so I'm using a little bit of it. So this is my kit I'm going to be using, and I have my page ready to go from that. So I have one of the papers from the collection, and I did gut it just a little bit because it was one of my favorite papers, which was this one. I love this one, and I haven't used it yet, and I only had one sheet of it, so I did cut the center out because all that's going to be covered up anyways, and I just put it on black cardstock. I have my pictures here. Like I said, she can't be on social media, so her face is covered. This one's the paper that I used, Lemon Fresh. And then this was an AI generated piece that I had made and printed. This was some paper from the Cake Day. And this was my scraps that I had thrown in here from the other layout that I did with this collection, since the papers matched the cardstock. So I'm going to use that. And then I have all these pieces from the chipboard, a few ephemera. I cut this one out of a Project Life card that came with the collection, and then that from the ephemera pack. So just some little pieces there. This one is going to be a really quick and easy layout to put together. So I decided that I would I didn't even cut these other than to just cut them down. I had a bunch of different pieces of scraps, and like I had long pieces, and all I did was measure them and cut them to make them square with whatever size they were. So I wound up with a bunch of different size squares. And I'm just going to go rainbow order around and glue these down. That looks all willy-nilly, but it's gonna, I have a plan. So I'm gonna add my photos. Actually, just kidding. I'm gonna take these two pieces of paper that I have here, and I want to just kind of put them down. I just wanted to add in the birthday aspect of it. And a lot of this is going to end up getting covered up, and that's okay. Okay, and then I'm going to add my photos. So this one's going to be up here. And then this one. And then this one. Let's see how I want to line it up. Poor Vivian is very left out of my album since she can't be shown on social media, and pretty much I've got to where I don't even scrap anymore just to be doing it unless I'm filming it for something. Because I just don't have enough time in the day. So, it's kind of got to the point of she just kind of gets left out because it's hard to keep her face covered. Okay, there's that part. And now I'm going to add in my other stuff. So I think I'm going to add this up here. And I think I'm going to put it right across the edge. I'm not going to worry so much about this because I use a top-loading album, scrapbook album. So I know that the wings will hang off of my page. But that's okay because my albums just go on a shelf anyways. And it's not going to hurt it if it's hanging off any. Or out of the top. Because I don't stack them or anything. So let me clip this part off the side though, so it can fit in my protector. Okay, there's that. And then I'm just going to add in all my little embellishments. And what I did, this one's going to go here with this. Because it says apples are red, berries are blue, pears are sweet, and they're all good for you. And like I said, we had fruit and all that at the party, but she absolutely loves all the things it says. Apples, berries, pears, bananas. She is very much a huge fruit eater. So she actually eats really good, pretty healthy to be a baby. But she's not a baby anymore. She's 3. She's about to turn 3 in April. And then I just have these little words. And I thought I would try to color match things up. From, like this one's with blue, yellow up here, and so on and so forth. And then I have the word sweet that I thought I would put down here on bottom to be the title. Let's see. And this E. And then, like I said, I have all these little hearts and things, and my plan is to match them up color-wise. So, I have pink up here. We might leave that there, I don't know. My thing is, I want yellow over here, but the arrow is pointing that way. So, I don't know. We'll see. I may change it. I think I will. I think I'll cut it. And see. And I didn't have a green heart, but I wanted to add in something. I might use that and I might not now because my design did change around a little bit. Because I had my colors wrong. When I was designing it, I was not singing the rainbow song. So my purple one was here and my blue here. And then so that caused these two papers to be reversed. So it changed my original design that I had in mind a little bit. But it's okay. Nothing that can't be worked out. Let's see. I think I'm going to cut this. And then see if I can arrow it on this side. Okay. It's smaller than it was, but that's okay. I think I like it better that way so that it's pointing, it's on the color, so it kind of matches up. Alright, so let me glue all this. Alright, I think that is gonna be the layout. I am happy with everything and how it is. And I will probably just maybe do a tiny bit of journaling here or up here and write in the date and things like that where we were. But I will post a close-up at the end. So I hope that you enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.